Actor Bill Cosby is facing a new sexual assault civil lawsuit. His accuser is Victoria Valentino of Los Angeles. The former Playboy centerfold model and actress is suing Cosby under a new California law that temporarily lifts the statute of limitations on civil sexual assault cases. It's very similar to the New York law that writer E. Jean Carroll used to sue Donald Trump for sexual assault, a case Carroll won just last month. Eyewitness News reporter Michelle Fisher joining us with the more on the allegations against Bill Cosby. Michelle.
Mark, you've heard the expression justice delayed is not justice denied, and that is what Victoria Valentino is hoping for in this case. She's been sharing her story publicly as an activist since 2014, but legally, well, there was nothing she could do. But this new assembly bill, she's now taking the advantage of a temporary opportunity she has to take Cosby to court.
Victoria suffered in silence for a very long time.
And now Victoria Valentino, a former Playboy centerfold model, is loudly demanding justice with a new civil lawsuit against Bill Cosby. A complaint filed Thursday in LA County Superior Court outlining an alleged 1969 sexual assault after Valentino says she and a friend had dinner with the comedian. The complaint stating, while seated at the table, Cosby placed a pill next to the plaintiff's glass and stated, "Here, take this. It'll make you feel better. It will make us all feel better." Cosby placed another pill next to the plaintiff's friend's glass.
They immediately took effect, and Victoria voiced her concerns and wanted to go home. Mr. Cosby escorted them out and, under the guise of bringing them home, brought them to an undisclosed location. And he proceeded to sexually assault Victoria while her friend laid unconscious.
The alleged graphic details laid out as the complaint goes on to state, quote, the plaintiff was incapable of consent by reason of being drugged by Cosby and physically helpless.
This isn't an isolated incident. There's a well-documented history of Cosby targeting and assaulting vulnerable women.
Valentino at the time grief-stricken by the drowning death of her young son. 54 years after the alleged assault, the civil suit now possible with new Assembly Bill 2777.
And so anybody who's been sexually assaulted prior to 2009 as an adult has this opportunity to come forward, which is the law now that Victoria can use to hold Bill Cosby accountable.
Cosby spokesperson saying the lawsuit lacks any proof or facts, adding that the so-called look-back laws violate constitutional rights that protect crime victims and those accused of a crime. And it's important for any victims out there to note that AB 2777 is set to expire at the end of the year. As for Valentino and her legal team, they're seeking a jury trial and unspecified damages. Mark.
Michelle, thank you. Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel and download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.